Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on Oracle SQL question series. Before going to see on today's question, I am requesting to all please check in our channel in each video description. There I have given the link for the Blogspot. In Blogspot I made in this form of the table format. Okay, in Oracle SQL and IICS. Both I have made. There you can get it more than 40 plus SQL questions and answer. This will be helpful for to prepare for an interview. Okay. Now we'll go on to the today's questions. Today's question, it is asked by one of our subscriber. Okay. They have given the table, create table statement also they have given. Okay. And also the values also they have given. Okay. And now see here. This is our table format. In this table format, here I need to change the row of 7, okay, 6 into 7 I need to change it. Here already they have inserted 6 only they have inserted. This value we need to change it into the 7 I need to change it, okay. This is very easy, we can use that update statement, we can change these values. But we made some simple mistakes while doing that update statement execution. Okay, first you can know that what are the mistakes we can do it in that update statement, then you can get that idea on how we can use that update statement properly. Now see here, I created one table, okay, and also I inserted the values, and this is my table company 1. Okay, the table values inserted, and also have given in the description the statement create and insert statement and all have given. Please check it and do the practice. Okay, now we can write the query for that update. Okay, my table name it is company 1. Okay, then what is our syntax? Update table name set column. Okay, our column it is ID column. Okay, in this ID column we need to change 6 into 7. In the 7th row 6 into 7 I need to change it. Okay, ID equal to 7. Okay, where condition we won't write it, where our column name equal to, okay. Now write the column values. Value it is Python. Okay, whenever you are writing that any string values, you always use a single quotation. Okay, within the single quotation you want to present the string values. Now write that Python here. Syntax only, update table name set column equal to that ID. Okay, set column. After that you have given the conditions. Okay, but why it is present that 0 rows it is updated means, whenever you are entering the data in the company 1, see here you have present the Python, okay, the string values, everything it is in the form of uppercase. Okay, so based on that you should use a format, whether it is uppercase or otherwise it is lower case or mixed of upper or lower. Okay, now execute the statement. Now see here, one row it is getting updated. Okay, now we can check that select start from company 1. See here, the data it is getting updated. Okay, and also whenever you are updating any statement, okay, you update properly, you want to check in that condition, where condition. Okay, in that where condition, if you are taking in that string values, you should always give within that single quotation, and also properly values you can give it. Okay, now one more update statement I can make. Okay, Bookmyshow. Okay, in Bookmyshow the column it is present values it is 5. Just I make that Bookmyshow it is 7. Okay, now I am running the statement. Now see here, the 0 rows it is getting updated. Why it is getting 0 rows it is updated means, in the table, okay, Bookmyshow, B only it is present capital values. Okay, remaining all the letter it is present in that smaller case only. Copy the statement Bookmyshow here, okay, and paste it here. Now execute the statement, okay, run the statement. Now see here, one row it is getting updated, okay. Now execute the select star from company 1. Now see here 7 Bookmyshow values, okay. This way we can update one record in the table, okay. And also keep remember, if you are using the string values, you should always use that single quotation. If you are using that integer values, directly you can place in the condition where employee code equal to 4004, like that you can place it, okay. Thank you for watching. If this session helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. And also if you have any questions on Oracle SQL as well as in that IICS series, please post it in the comment section. We will see you on the upcoming session. Thank you.